Hi guys. So we have this question here that say write this y equal to this in the form of y equal to this. So the first thing, if you look at this, you'll have to apply the completing the square. So if you're familiar with it, so it will be best for you to do it. And for those who do not know how to do completing the square, so we're just going to look into that today. So first of all, I'm gonna write it here, put it aside, plus 4x minus 6. So the first thing I'll have to keep, remember this a is still the same a which is here. So I'm going to keep it outside. That will be the first step. So I have this, and then I'm going to factorize. As I factorize it out, it will affect the other terms that are inside. So I'm going to have here x squared minus 4x, sorry, minus 2x, and then I have plus 3. Because you divide everything by minus 2 in other ways, so you just kept it outside. And then therefore we go down there, we're gonna have minus 2 outside the bracket, so you open the bigger brackets. What you now have to do, you're gonna do x squared minus 2x. So on the third term, what you do is you take your b, you divide it by 2, and then you square it. So in this case our b is this minus 2, so we're gonna say you first start with plus, so you put it inside the bracket, so you have minus 2 dividing 2, all of it squared. So what you do here, you also do for minus, and then you put your last term, which is plus 3, and then you close your bracket. And now you move to the next step, so you're gonna have these 2, and now you have, so these three terms, these first three terms tells you a new quadratic equation or expression where you have to go factorize it. Okay, so you can even do it aside, but for those who already know, or they can do it while it's here, it's also going to be fine. So the simplest way to do it will be just take x and take the value you get inside this bracket here. So in this case, we're going to have minus 1, and I will put the square. So that's it, that for only this part here. And now the next thing will be, we have minus 1, because if you punch all of this here, you get 1 square, minus 1 square, and minus 1 square is the 1, and then you have it with the minus there, so you have minus 1 plus 3. And I will close the bigger bracket. That will lead us into having minus 2 bracket x minus 1 squared, and then you have minus 1 plus 3 will be 2, right? So with the minus 2, so you have minus 2 times 2 here, so which will be minus 4. And that's your answer.